Ulefone Armor 11 T5G is designed to support rugged lifestyles and survive tough and challenging environments. It is waterproof, dust-proof and drop-proof, so you can work worry-free in any condition. And lots of effort was made to make it more versatile, such as the custom key, gloves mode, digital toolkit and more. The integrated FLIR thermal imaging camera with MSX technology on the Ulefone Armor 11 T5G smartphones can detect objects in the scene and create thermal images based on temperature. You will be able to see abnormalities such as heat loss or gain, find animals or people in the dark, and you quickly diagnose and resolve problems. A thermal imaging camera can play an important role in electrical and pipeline maintenance, outdoor adventures, emergency rescues and more. 48-megapixel main camera provides high-definition image performance. You can zoom in the pictures without any loss of image clarity. With an aperture of f1.79, it can pass through more light that makes Armor 11 T5G still perform well in night photography. Theoretically, 5G network comes with a speed up to 10x faster than 4G. You will be able to experience virtually lag-free gaming and streaming, hyperfast downloads, clear HD video calling and more. With smooth online collaboration and ultra-fast file sharing, your working productivity will be much higher. Armor 11 T5G supports AI scene recognition. It can intelligently detect up to 15 kinds of scenes and automatically adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to help you effortlessly shoot photos that tell great stories.